Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to unlock item shop cannons in Sand. If you've just started playing and noticed that the shop only offers one cannon type and its corresponding ammunition, don't worry. You can unlock more cannons by progressing through the tech tree. Head to the tech tree from the upper navigation bar and open Kaiser's Friends branch. Here you'll find the first cannon shop upgrades. The earliest ones are the shotgun cannon, which costs 1,500 crowns and 150 thread, and the 40mm auto cannon, which costs 1,500 crowns and 150 fabric scraps. Once you've unlocked these upgrades, both the cannons and their corresponding ammunition will become available for purchase in the item shop, making it much easier to replace lost equipment between expeditions. As you continue further down Kaiser's Friends branch, you'll unlock even more powerful cannon variants with improved durability, performance, and firepower. Just keep in mind that the higher tier upgrades require increasingly rare materials and larger amounts of crowns, so expect to spend some time gathering resources before you can unlock them, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.